Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2018 Audi Q5 Progressive. This vehicle comes in a black exterior color. It's a 4-door sport utility, seats 5 in a black interior color. This vehicle carries a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with a 7-speed S-tronic automatic transmission. Making our way into the front of the vehicle now, you have your memory seat controls up at the top, power folding side mirrors and power windows. You have your trunk opener down at the bottom next to your storage compartment. Nice big speaker down at the bottom. Door panel is made up of a black leather with chrome inserts. Front seats are in a black leather with lumbar support and headrest adjusters. Leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your menu selector on the left hand side. On the right side you have your volume control as well as heated steering, navigation and voice control. Paddle shifters behind the steering wheel. You have your cruise control down at the bottom left. This vehicle is a push to start. Analog front dash with a digital center. Nice backup camera as well with guidelines as well as your front sensors there. You have a touchscreen pad here with your favorites as well as menu button. You can turn the knob to select your different options. So you have your navigation map. You have Bluetooth, all of your media, so your Bluetooth, USB, all that. Radio stations with your AM, FM, and satellite radio. All of your climate control options are down here. You have heated seats on both front seats. You have your drive mode selector. So you have your comfort as well as your dynamic. Nice little storage compartment for small items like a phone. Leather wrapped center console that folds up, exposing your auxiliary ports, USBs as well. This can slide back, exposing your 2 cup holders. You have your rear view mirror, as well as universal garage opener, overhead lighting, sunroof and moonroof controls. Up top is your sun visor and illuminated vanity mirror for both the driver's side and passenger side. This vehicle also comes with a really nice panoramic sunroof stretching all the way to the rear seats. Going around the left-hand side now, we'll start off with the 19-inch Audi rims on summer tires. Color match side mirrors with an integrated turn signal. You have your color matched keyless entry handle grips. Chrome badging along the vehicle. Rear parking sensors, rear wiper blade with backup camera and powered trunk. Nice open rear cargo space. It's all carpeted with your 3-piece rear seat. You have your cargo shade as well. You have a button just up top. Close your trunk. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have the same black door panel with chrome inserts. 2 speakers, one at the top, one at the bottom with extra storage compartment. Rear seats are also in the black leather. You have your center console that folds down and gives you 2 cup holders. air vents and controls, as well as a 12-volt power bank. Netted magazine holders at the rear of both front seats. Access to the panoramic moonroof, overhead lighting, and handle grips. This vehicle is also fitted with a full set of all-weather rubber mats. Going around the right-hand side now, you have your shark fin antenna just at the rear. Chrome around the windows. You have your front parking sensors. Front license plate cover as well. LED lights. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out at our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta, over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.